Do you know how to disable Ezoic Mediation from your Ezoic account? If no is the answer, I'm here to help you out. First, log in into your Ezoic account, and after logging into your Ezoic account, you have to select a domain from where you want to disable your Ezoic Mediation. Okay, so from here, from the top, I will select my domain beingoptimist.com, and after selecting beingoptimist.com, okay, you have to click to Ezoic ads from the top. Okay, and after clicking to the Ezoic ads, you will enter into Ezoic ads dashboard. Just scroll down, and here you will find the mediation. So I'm scrolling up again, and just click go to app just beside the mediation. Okay, and you will enter into the mediation page. Okay, and in the right you can see there is a button disable. Just click to disable mediation. So this is the process and step using which you can disable mediation from your Ezoic account. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more update. And do visit our website beingoptimist.com, beingoptimist.in, and don't forget to use our free tools for your